कॅमेरा चेक करू शकतो. वर घ्या सर. हां अजून वर. हां फोल्ड कर कॅमेरा. हॅलो प्रशांत.
यस सर.
हॅलो प्रशांत.
हाँ यस सर.
ओके. ओके थोड़ा थोड़ा वर घेतो वर. हेलो हेलो हेलो.
हाँ हेलो सर.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible, Saket? Sanket?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yesterday we have seen this problem. In this problem, we have seen that the width is a 60, 50, and height of triangle is a 40. Now, there is a steps also I have mentioned that whatever the composite structure, जो भी composite structure होगा, इसको हम composite structure बोलते हैं. तो जो भी composite structure होगा, उसका आप simple जो structure हमने देखे हैं, जिसके formulas हमको पता है, वो उस type के structure में convert करो. So there are two possibilities. First possibility is a sphere. इसमें से दो हम plane structure बना सकते हैं. So already I have mentioned this is the first and this is the second. So this is the first and location. From here we are required to find out the centroid. हमें centroid कहाँ से find out करना है ये बहुत important है. So we are required to locate a point here. उन्होंने बोला है कि centroid find out करो. किधर से बोला है? So from point A. So we know that we are required to write as it is the dimension 60 and 50. And what the things, another thing is we are required to do. हमें दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. So somewhere it is going to come here. This is the second object. This is the second object. ये second object का width कितना है? 60 है and height is the 40. Are you understanding or not? So, but we are required to find out. हमको second object का centroid ये from A से find out करना पड़ेगा. Clear? So what I will do here? Already we know the formula x bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1. X bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2, and y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So this is the standard formula to find out the centroid of a composite structure. इसमें से अननोन बातें कौन सी है? A1, A2, X1, X2, A1, A2, Y1, Y2. So we will find out A1 is nothing but area of a rectangle. So find out this. Yesterday we have found out this. A1 is equal to B into H is equal to 60 into 50 is equal to how much? 3000. Then X1 and Y1 we are equal to find out. Now, what is the formula to find out centroid of a rectangle? Rectangle का centroid find out करने का formula क्या होगा? कि from this location B by 2 and from this height is a H by 2. Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, so X1 will be the
Yes.
B by 2 and Y1 will be the H by 2. So B1 is how much? B is here 60 divided by 2 and H is equal to 50 divided by 2. So it will come 30 and it will come 25.
25.
First part we have completed related to the rectangle. Now we are required to find out for a triangle. So space is very less, so that I will erase this. Just I will locate the A point from this location, or I will put here A point here, so that I will get some space. You can check it here. A point is here, and the corner of triangle is here. The corner of the triangle is here, and from A location we are required to find out. Already we have found out A1 X1 and A1 Y1 we have found out. Now we are required to find out A2 and X2 as well as Y2 also. Clear? Now, what is the formula? What is the formula to find out centroid of actual triangle और right angle triangle? जो मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला बताया था, तो इस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मूला बताया था. तो दिस इज द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एंड इसका हमको फॉर्मूला पता है. सो हियर इट इज a b by 3 and h by 3. From which location? From this corner. Am I right or wrong? From this corner, b by 3 is a x and h by 3 is a y. b by 3 and h by 3. So I think so there is some mirror problem is there. So y is equal to h by 3 for this type of a rectangle, for this type of a triangle. Clear? Now here if I check from this point, the centroid of this triangle is from this point it is a b by 3 and from this point it is a h by 3. Are you understanding or not? From this point I have required to find out, but from a standard formula from this corner it is a b by 3 and height is a h by 3. But I have required to find out from A. So I can say here, this location I can say it is a x2 and this location I will say it is a y2. Remember this. Are you understanding? Now see here, again I am repeating this. What is the x2 and y2? x2 is nothing but centroidal location of triangle from point A. Centroidal location of triangle. Centroid is here. Centroid is here. इस पॉइंट का ये पॉइंट से कितना डिस्टेंस है? हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस को हम x2 बोलेंगे, वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस को y2 बोलेंगे. Are you understanding now? This is a y2 and this is a x2. Now, but the formula says that this is a b by 3 and this is a h by 3. Now you tell me that how to find out x2 now? What is the formula to find out x2? I can put here
b is equals to x2 plus b by 3.
b minus total b is a this no. इसमें से इतना कट करने के बाद आपको x2 मिल जाएगा. Are you understanding? See here, this is the total b. This is the total b. टोटल बी में से b/3 डिडक्ट किया, टोटल बी में से b/3 डिडक्ट किया तो मेरे को x2 मिल जाएगा. So I will put here I will put here x2 is equal to b minus b/3. x2 is equal to b minus b/3 and y2 is equal to, who is going to tell what will be the y2?
H minus h by 2. H minus h by 3.
h/3, correct. Minus what? It is a plus. See here. This is the height. This is the height is how much? 50. So 50 plus h/3. Now do this calculation. इसका कैलकुलेशन करो आप.
x2 equal to 40.
See here. x2 is कितना आएगा? x2 is equal to b कितना है? 60 minus 60 divided by 3. So it is 40. Correct. And here y2 कितना आएगा? 50 plus h is how much? 40. 40 divided by 3. It is how much? 19 point something आएगा. So I will consider 19 for a temporary purpose. So it will be the 69 and this is the 40. I know the x2, I know the y2. Can I find out the area of this? It is a very simple formula. A2
Sir.
is equal to 1/2
Hello, sir.
pH.
Hello, sir.
1/2 b is how much? B is 16 and h is how much? 40. So
Hello,
I
sir.
found out it is a 1400.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, 40 by 3 equal to?
What?
40 by 3 equal to?
40?
40 by
40 divided
3.
by 3 how much?
I think, sir, it is 13.3.
13.3.
19.3. It is okay. It is 19.3. I know that, but I will not.
13.3. 13.3.
सर 13 येते 13.
13.33.
13.
13.3 sir.
So 13.3 is going to come. So 0.3 I am not going to consider. So it is a 63. You are correct. Okay. Now our original basic formula we will use here. So, I will erase some portion from this. Now, see here, what is the formula? X bar is equal to A1 x1 plus A2 x2 divided by A1 plus A2. A1 x1 plus A2 x2 divided by A1 plus A2. So what is the A1? A1 is a 3000 into x1 was how much? 30. You might have written this. x1 कितना था? 30 था शायद. Plus x2 30, x1 30 था. A2 1200 into x2 we are having it is a 40 divided by A1 is how much? 3000 plus 1200. If you do the calculation, you will get the answer here. Similarly, you can do the calculation for another part. A1 y1 plus A2 y2 divided by A1 plus A2. So A1 I know that it is a 3000 into y1. Y1 it was a 25. Please check this. Plus 1200 into y2 is how much? Y2 is a 63 divided by 3000 plus 1200. Now do the calculation.
x2 equal to 32.8, sir.
Now do the calculation. How much it is?
32.8 equal to x2.
X bar is a 32. Na?
Yeah.
32.8.
X bar is a 32.
32.8.
Okay, and Y bar?
Y bar equal to 0.8.
Please check this. Y bar कौन सांगेल मला?
35.8.
35.
Yes.
Okay, 35 ना? बरोबर आहे. Answer, is it a correct answer?
Sir,
32.8. So please check that Y bar also. How it is 35, so you can check it now. 35 or is that any other value is there? Now what is the meaning? I will just tell from this example. Those are not till date taken a calculator, please take it from any store. एक साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर होना चाहिए. साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर के बिना हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर पा सकेंगे. तो मिनिमम आई थिंक सो कैसियो का 600 या 900 के बीच में कुछ तो है. So you are required to take this calculator because henceforth we are going to solve the problems, numericals, and in engineering anyhow you require to take a calculator. Now everyone has received these two values 32 and 35. Now I can say that from location A, the centroid of this plane situated at 32 distance. This is the 32 horizontal distance and vertical distance is the 35. At this location, the centroid of a composite structure or this complete plane is situated. इस कंप्लीट प्लेन का सेंट्रॉइड और आई कैन से सेंटर पॉइंट किधर होगा? तो ये इधर होगा कि हॉरिजॉन्टल 32 डिस्टेंस एंड वर्टिकल 35 डिस्टेंस. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? नाउ चेक इट. इफ आई विल कंसीडर द रेक्टेंगल, रेक्टेंगल का किधर था? हमको पता है कि इट इज 25 अबव एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल 30. और आई विल राइट हियर 30 and 25. And iska to at the above side it was there, so we have found out, we have forgotten also. It is 30 and 40, no? It is at 30 location and at a 40 height. Okay. 13 Y1 63. It is 30 and 63. ट्रायंगल का 30 and 63 लोकेशन पे सेंट्रॉइड था. रेक्टेंगल का 30 and 25 पे सेंट्रॉइड था. बट एक्चुअल ऑफ दिस कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर का सेंट्रॉइड किधर होगा? So it will be situated at horizontal distance 32 and vertical distance 35. Understood? So henceforth you are required to remember the first equation is nothing but x bar is what? What is the formula of y bar? And standard formulae for the plane. Plane means rectangle, triangle, circle, half circle and quadrant of circle. Clear? Any doubt related to this question? Please ask me now.
सर y2 की वैल्यू हमें पूरी डायग्राम कंसीडर करके करनी है, सिर्फ ट्रायंगल को कंसीडर करके?
y2 की वैल्यू आपको पूरा डायग्राम कंसीडर करके ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, लिखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, ओके.
यू कैन चेक इट। जब मैंने ट्रायंगल का डायग्राम निकाला था तो मैंने किधर से ड्रॉ की, ये पॉइंट किधर था, इधर था। So y2 value I have required to consider from this location, x2 value also I have required to consider from the location of E.
Okay, sir.
Standard formally represents from the formula, जिस पॉइंट पे है उधर से हम कंसीडर करेंगे, लेकिन एक्चुअल वैल्यू जो है कौन से तो कॉर्नर से हमको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Any other question related to this question, related to this numerical? Okay, now we'll take a second example. I will take a simple example. T type of a structure is there. T type. And this T type of a structure, you know that it is a symmetric or vertical line. This T type of structure is a symmetrical on a vertical line. So I will draw also vertical line also, on which it is a symmetrical. Okay. Now we have required to find out the x bar and y bar of this structure. So I will give the dimension for this. The total length of this is 60, height is 20, this height is 50, and this is a 10. Now by seeing this diagram, just to draw this diagram first, afterwards we will discuss on this. Now by seeing this diagram,
So how much the base?
base, which base? Base is a 10. This is a 10. This is a 10. This is a 50, 60, and 20. Any question? Now the question is here, find out x bar and y bar of this T structure. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट कंपोजिट ऑब्जेक्ट मिलने के बाद आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या रहेगा? The object is symmetric or not? You are required to check it. Object symmetric है क्या? Object symmetric है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ है।
Vertical line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On a vertical line. Am I right? So which thing I am going to get directly? Is it I am going to get x bar directly or y bar? Who is going to tell this? मेरे को कौन सी लाइन, कौन सी वैल्यू विदाउट कैलकुलेशन मिल जाएगी इधर?
Y bar.
y bar.
Sir, but we must know the point from where we have to take.
No, point means see here, कौन से भी लोकेशंस पे आप जाओ, किधर से भी आप फाइंड आउट करना करोगे तो मेरे को एक वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी, मेरे को पॉइंट की जरूरत भी नहीं है इधर।
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि सिमेट्रिक है ना, मेरे को पता है कि सेंट्रोइड सिमेट्रिक लाइन पे ही रहता है। जैसे आपके घर वालों को पता है कि ये बेटा लेट आने वाला है, लेट आया तो वो किधर होगा, ये इस घर और इस फ्रेंड के पास होगा, ऐसा उनको प्रिडिक्शन होता है। तो वैसा ही इधर है कि मेरे को पता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट सिमेट्रिक है, तो उस लाइन पे ही सेंट्रोइड है, तो लोकेशन का और फिक्स्ड पॉइंट, इनिशियल फिक्स्ड पॉइंट देने की जरूरत भी नहीं है मेरे को।
X bar, sir.
x bar डायरेक्टली और y bar?
Y bar, sir. Y bar.
Y
No,
bar, sir.
x bar डायरेक्टली है,
X bar, sir.
वर्टिकल लाइन पे सेंट्रोइड है, इस वर्टिकल लाइन पे सेंट्रोइड है, लेकिन वर्टिकल लाइन इधर से स्टार्ट होती है, इधर एंड हो जाती है. इसको n नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स आर देयर, बट हॉरिजॉन्टली देयर इज ओनली वन पॉइंट. नो, लाइन का एक ही लोकेशन है. समझ में आ गया क्या? नहीं, रिपीट में बताता हूँ. ये लाइन का वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस देख लीजिए ना, इधर 0 से स्टार्ट हो गया 100 तक जाएगा, मेरे को पता नहीं कितना है, लेकिन हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस कितना है इस लाइन का वो हम डिसाइड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई कंसीडर दिस कॉर्नर, फ्रॉम दिस कॉर्नर x bar will be 30. But if I will consider, instead of this point, if I will consider this point, और लाइन पे मैंने कंसीडर किया तो x bar कितना आ जाएगा उधर? 0.
0 आ जाएगा सर.
हाँ 0. तो मेरे को इनिशियल पॉइंट मैटर नहीं करेगा कि मैंने किधर से मेजर कर रहा हूँ, ये मैटर नहीं करेगा, लेकिन मेरे को ये इतना पता है कि इस लाइन पे ही सेंट्रॉइड है. Am I right or wrong? So I know that x bar की वैल्यू मेरे को पता चल गई. Now I have required to find out the y bar. Am I right? Suppose that in MCQ or multiple choice question, if they have asked that find out the distance of x bar from location A, then I can directly give the answer 30. And if suppose that they have mentioned that find out the location of a centroid of this T structure from a location A, then the value will be 0. Clear? So first part, remember this, our initial step during solving this type of a problem is that check that is that this any object, which object they have given, that object is a symmetric or not. If symmetric, definitely one thing will become this easily, we will get easily. But second thing we are required to find out, or second part we are required to find out. Here in this case, we will find y bar from the location of A. Or instead of A, here I will take here. So there will not be so much confusion. So I will take A point at the base. Now we are required to find out the centroid of this structure. So I will skip only one formula I am required to remember. This is nothing but A1, Y1. How many parts we can convert here? T structure के कितने पार्ट में मैं कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूँ?
two part में.
Two parts.
Two parts, sir.
Two parts.
Two parts.
Rectangle, and second is horizontal rectangle. So what is the formula then? A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 divided by A1 plus A2. I know that what is the value of x bar here? X bar is equal to 0.
0.
Because if I want to measure from here also, x bar 0 ही रहेगा. मैं इधर से मेजर कर रहा हूँ. कभी कभी हम पूछते हैं कि आपसे आपका डिस्टेंस कितना है. So obviously it will be 0.
0.
So it will be 0. X bar is equal to 0. Now I have required to find out A1, A2, Y1 and Y2. So what is our next step? First draw the two parts. First part I will draw here. I will put the location here also. Okay. This is the first part. Second part. Here also I have located A, and here also I have located A. This is the second part. Now I have required to find out regular procedure. I have required to find out here A1, Y1. I will put here. Due to space, I will put here A1, Y1. Only two parts, only two things we are required to find out. And here we are required to find out A2 and Y2. A1, Y1 and A2, Y2. A1, Y1 and A2, Y2 we are required to find out. Now, You tell me this. What will be the area of this?
500.
10 into 50, 500. And what will be the y1? H by 2.
Arash.
H by 2. H is the 50. 50 divided by 2, it is the 25. So y1 will be 25 here. Clear? Similarly, we are required to find out A2 here. A2 is the 60 into 20. How much it is? 1200. And Y2 is how much? So who is going to tell this Y2 now? Y2 we have required to
10.
measure from a location, and this distance is a
10.
this distance is a
60.
plus 50 plus this distance is a h by 2. Am I right or wrong? See here, again I am repeating this. इस स्टैंडर्ड रेक्टेंगुलर का मेरे को पता है कि हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस इज x by 2 and h by 2. अभी h by 2 x by 2 का मेरे को जरूरत ही नहीं है. So what will be this distance? This distance is h by 2. But from where we are required to measure? We are required to measure from location A. So rectangle की A से location ही 50 है. So 50 plus h by 2. So how much it is? 60.
60.
Plus h by 2. H is, I think it is a 20. It will be 60. Now keep this value in above equation and find out the value, final value. A1 is 500 into y1 is 25 plus A2 is 1200 into 60 divided by 500 plus 1200.
It's 49.7, sir.
Correct.
49.7.
7. बोर्डवर शिकवणार आहे तुम्ही डेरिवेशन आहे मग काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही तसं ठीक आहे मला फक्त माझा चार्जर घेऊन येता चार्जर आहे तो चार्जरला जोडलं पाहिजे आपल्याच क्लासमधले स्टुडंट आहेत त्यांना म्हणलं इथं येऊन बसत जावा इथं शिकवते 15 तारखेपासून तर असेल तसे येणार आहे ओके नाउ प्लीज चेक दॅट everyone has got 49.7 value or not. Now can I say that the centroid of this composite structure is situated from location A at the above side 49.7 means somewhere here, because x bar is a 0 here. 49.7. So the T structure centroid is located at x bar is equal to 0 and y bar is equal to 49.7. Clear? Anyone is having any issue related to this numerical? Again I am repeating this. Anyone is having any issue? Any issue related to this numerical?
No, sir.
Now, okay, remaining
No, sir. No.
problems we will take in tomorrow's lecture. We will stop here. Those are not kept the attendance in chat box. Please mention your attendance in chat box. We will stop here now. Immediately for another lecture you are required to join.